Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Guys, there are a lot of methods available on Google to earn money online, but 90% methods take a lot of time to earn some money. On this channel, you will only get real, trusted and easy method to earn lots of money. I only share my experience on this channel. I have 4 years experience. Guys, as you can see here, this is my earnings. I made some game using GDevelop software and I have monetized it with Google Admob. Google Admob is 100% free. You will not have to wait long time to get approval. Once you will sign up on Google Admob, after 2 or 3 days, Google team will approve your account. Guys, I will also share with you amazing method to get lot of audience on your app. As you can see here, this website have over 33 million visitors monthly, which I am going to show you. And here you can see over 72,000 people have downloaded my app. In this video, I will teach you everything step by step. Guys, here you can see how much money you could earn from Admob. If you have 50,000 monthly active users on your app or game, then you can earn $2,884 per month. You just need app or game and Google Admob account to earn money. Guys, in this video I will teach you everything step by step from beginning to end. In this video I will teach you how to create Google Admob account. In second step I will teach you how to install GDevelop software and how to make game. In third step, I will teach you how to run Admob ads on game. And in fourth step, I will teach you how to get lot of audience on your app or game. Guys, I have already Google Admob account, but in this video, I will create another Admob account using my brother's Gmail, only for teach you. Guys, Google allow only one Admob account for one person. You cannot create 2 or 3 Admob account for one person. That's why I'm going to create Admob account for my brother using my brother's Gmail. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, open Chrome browser and search here Admob. Now open this first URL. Click on Get Started button. Click on Next button. Now enter here your Gmail password. Click on Next button. Select here your country. If you are from United States, then you can select here United States country. Now select your time zone. Scroll down below. Guys, here you can see terms and conditions. First of all, you will have to read all these terms and conditions. After that, turn on this box to accept its terms and conditions. Click on Create Admob account button. Here select Yes option. I want to receive all kind of emails. Click on Continue to Admob button. Yeah, here we go. My Admob account has created successfully. Now let's see how can you monetize your game application. Guys, if you do not have a game application, then don't worry. Just open new tab and search here GDevelop. Open this first URL. It will then take you to this page. Guys, GDevelop is the best software. It's free and easy game making software. You can make lots of free games using GDevelop software. Click on Download button. Guys, if you do not want to download this GDevelop software, then don't worry, you can make game online. I'm going to download this GDevelop software. I'm using Windows. Click on this window icon to download this software. As you can see here, GDevelop software is downloading. I'm going to install this software. As you can see here, GDevelop software has installed successfully. Click on Finish button, click on File button and click on Create a new project button. Guys, as you can see here, there are a lot of free games. You can use all of these games to earn money, but you will have to change a little bit in these games. If you want to create your own game design, then you can click here Create a blank project button. I'm going to use this game to run Admob ads. Click on Open button. Now click on Create a project button. Now let's see how can you run Admob ads on this game. Click on Get Started button. Select here platform Android. Here you can see if your app is supported App Store, then you can select Yes option. I'm going to select No. Click on Continue button. Type here your app name. Click on Add App button. Click on Done button. Now I will have to create ad unit to run Admob ads on my game. Click on Add a ad unit button. Here you can see there are 6 type of ad formats that you can use. You can run banner ads on your app, you can run interstitial ad, you can run rewarded ads on your app. I'm going to run video ads on my game. Click on Select button. Now type your ad unit name. Click on Create ad unit button. Here is showing video ad unit ID. Click here to copy this ad unit ID. Now go on GDevelop software, click on events, click on add a new event, click on add condition and type here at the beginning of the scene. Select at the beginning of the scene, click on OK button, click on add action button, type here Admob, select load video and paste here video add unit ID. Click on OK button. At the beginning of the scene, rewarded video ads will be loaded. Now here click on add action button, type here Admob, click on show video, click on OK button. Guys, here you can see once someone will click on this start button, then video ads will be show. Go to main menu. Once someone will click on this start button, then video ads will be show. Here if you will click on this preview button, then Admob ads will not show. Admob ads will show only in Android device. Now let me show you how can you export this game for Android devices. Click on publish button. Click on export to other platforms. Now select here mobile. Guys, first of all I will have to create account on GDevelop software. Click on create my account button. Now type your username, type your email address and type your password. Guys, I have already created account on this software. I'm going to log in. Click on packaging for Android button. It will take some time to export this game in APK file. Click on download button. Here you can see this game has downloaded. This game will run only in Android device. Here click on done button. Guys, it will take 1 or 2 days to run Admob ads on your app. Click on home button. Now I will have to add payment information. If I will not add payment information, then my Admob account will not approve. I'm going to add payment information. Click on add payment info button. Type here your payment details. Type here your name, address, town, postcode, state, phone number, and after that click on submit button. I'm going to type all this information. Guys, next time you can also edit this information. After completing it, click on submit button. Yeah, here we go. My payment information has successfully done. Guys, you can easily edit your payment details by clicking on this manage settings button. Click on home button. Here you can see my account is being verified. It will take 24 hours to verify my account. Once my account will be verified, then Google Ads will run on my game. Guys, if you will play this game in your Android device, then today Google Ads will not show. Once your Admob account will be verified, then Google Ads will run on your game. Guys, here you can see this is my space shooter game. I made this game using GDevelop software, and here you can see Google Ads is running on my game. I earn good money from this game. Here you can see this is my earnings. You can also earn this amount of money. You do not need to do hard work to earn this amount of money. If you will follow this video step by step, then I'm sure you will earn this amount of money every day. I recommend you to make your own game using GDevelop software. Guys, here you can see after 4 hours my Admob account has approved. It's very easy to get approval from Google Admob. Now let me tell you how can you get lot of audience on your game to earn lots of money. Guys, if you are enjoying this video so far, don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. Now let's get back to the video. Guys, I wanna share with you this website, itch.io. Here you can see this website have over 33 million visitors monthly. And here you can see this website have over 26% visitors from United States. Guys, as you can see here, over 22,000 people have downloaded my game. Let me show you in analytics. Here is showing views graph and download graph. Let me tell you how can you get lot of audience from this website. Guys, first of all you will have to register on this website. Click on register button. Now type your unique username. Your username will be URL of your game. Type your password. Confirm password. Now type your email address. You will have to accept its terms and conditions. After that, verify this captcha that you are not a robot. And at last, click on create account button. It's very simple to create account on this website. Guys, I have already created account. Once you will create successfully your account on this website, you will have to publish your game on this website to get audience. Let's see how can you publish your game on this website. Click on this icon. Now click on upload a new project button. Guys, you can type here your game title and you will have to type here project URL. You can type here anything. This will be your project URL. Now here you can type your short description. Scroll down below. You will have to select pricing. If you want to make your game free, then select no payments option. Now the next step, you will have to upload your game. Click on upload files button. Now select your game application. Click on open button. Here you can see my game has uploaded on this website. Now select Android option. Guys, my game is for Android users. That's why I'm selecting Android option. Scroll down below. Now type here some details of your game. In the next step, you will have to select category of your game. Here you can see there are a lot of categories. You can select any of these categories. Now select here tags for your game. These tags will work as a keyword. When someone will search this keyword on this website, then your game will be shown in search result. Scroll down below. Here you will have to type download and install instructions. Now the next step, you will have to upload game image, and here you will have to add screenshots of your game. Once you will complete this information, you can click on save button. Guys, you can make game icon using Photoshop. Here you can see I have filled out some details of my game. Once you will complete this information, you can click on save button. Here you can see my game has saved. Now click here to view this page. Guys, as you can see here, my game has published on this website. Once someone will click on this download button, then this game will start to download. Let me tell you another method to get audience on this game. Click here to go back. Now click on jams. Here you can see there are a lot of jams. You can join all of these jams to share your game. You can also host a jam. Guys, if you will share your game on this jam, then your game will be reached to all these members. As you can see here, this jam have over 3000 members. Let me tell you how you can share your game on this jam. Click here to open this jam. It will then take you to this page. Now click on join jam button. Now click on submit your project button. Guys, here is showing existing project. If you have not uploaded your game on this website, then here your game will not show. First of all, you will have to upload your game on this website. Let's see what is this jam admin asking. Select this text. Now right click here and click on translate selection to English button. Here you can see they are asking team name. You can type here your name. Now translate this text. Here you can see they are asking full name of members. You can type here your full name. Now translate this text. Here you can see they are asking third party asset description. You can type here gdevelop. Guys, I have made this game using gdevelop software. And at last you can click on submit button. Guys, here you can see there are a lot of jams that you can share your game to get lot of audience. Some jams will not accept your game, but don't worry, you can try on another jams to submit your project. Guys, you can also share your game on Amazon App Store, Samsung App Store, Facebook Instant Games, Crazy Games website, Oppo App Store, Vivo App Store, Google Play Store, and many more. You can also share your game on Facebook groups to get lot of audience. Just you will have to search your game lovers. Now enable this public groups option. Here you can see there are a lot of Facebook groups about game. All these groups have thousands of members. You can just join all of this group and share your game URL on all these groups to get audience. Once you will post your game URL on this group, then your post will be reached to all these members. As you can see here, this group have over 3000 members. Scroll down below. Guys, here you can see this person has left their game URL on this group. When someone will click on this link, then they will be redirected on game website. Guys, using this method, you can get lot of audience on your game. I hope you found this video at all helpful. Please like and subscribe our channel, and also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.